If you want to look clean and well-dressed in summer 2026, you don't need to spend a lot of money or have a crazy wardrobe. The truth is, the old money style is much simpler than most people think. It's not about logos, and it's not about expensive brands. It's just a few simple principles that instantly make everything look more stylish. In this video, you'll learn exactly what to wear in summer 2026 to stay cool, simple, and effortlessly elegant. There are just 4 simple rules of the old money aesthetic you need to know first. Rule 1. Keep your color palette neutral. Think browns, beiges, white, navy, and khaki. These timeless colors work with almost everything. Rule 2. Forget loud logos. No graphic tees, no oversized varsity jackets. Old money style is about understatement. Rule 3. Fit is key. Not too tight and not too baggy. Everything should look clean, tailored, and refined. Rule 4. Quality fabrics only. Linen, cotton, wool, and leather. Pieces that not only look good, but feel good too. Now, let's talk about what you should actually wear this summer. Shirts. In the summer, a linen shirt is essential. It instantly elevates your look, especially when paired with a simple watch. Linen button-up shirts. Linen is the ultimate summer fabric for old money style. It's breathable, lightweight, and has a natural texture that adds understated elegance to any outfit. Focus on premium linen shirts in neutral or pastel shades. Think crisp white, soft blue, cream, or light pink. Avoid loud patterns or logos, and choose a relaxed yet tailored fit that looks intentional, not sloppy. Linen shirts are versatile. Wear them tucked into tailored trousers for a refined look, or untucked with shorts for casual sophistication. Rolling up the sleeves adds a laid-back vibe without losing that polished edge. Oxford button-down shirts. Made from slightly heavier cotton than linen, Oxfords are durable and breathable, perfect for warmer days. Stick to classic colors like white and pale blue to keep your look clean and timeless. The Oxford shirt pairs well with everything from chinos to tailored shorts and can be layered under a lightweight blazer for cooler evenings. Make sure it fits well around the shoulders and chest with a neat collar that holds its shape. Tailored trousers and shorts. Old money style is synonymous with impeccable tailoring. For summer, choose lightweight wool or cotton trousers in neutral tones like beige, navy, or light gray. Pleated trousers are making a subtle comeback and offer a nod to classic menswear. Fit is everything. Trousers should be slim but comfortable, tapering slightly towards the ankle. Cropped lengths that reveal a bit of ankle or sockless wear add a contemporary twist while keeping the look elegant. Polos. Not the sporty kind with giant logos. I mean knit polos that instantly make you look more put together without feeling overdressed. The key is in how it fits. The sleeves should gently hug your arms, and the polo should sit clean on your body. Not tight, not baggy, just relaxed and tailored. T-shirts. If you want something even more relaxed, stick to simple, fitted, and structured t-shirts. You want something that sits close to the body while still feeling comfortable. Clean, minimal, and easy to pair with almost anything. Knitwear. This is where outfits quietly start looking old money. Start with a classic crew neck sweater, then add a polo sweater, a quarter zip, or a cardigan. These pieces add texture, depth, and sophistication without looking flashy. Suits. Old money suits are clean, well-tailored, and timeless. Stick to navy, beige, charcoal, or black. Avoid flashy patterns and exaggerated cuts. A properly fitted suit will always look more expensive than a trendy one. Accessories. This is where the details make the difference. A simple watch, a clean brown or black belt, classic sunglasses, small details that quietly pull the entire outfit together. Footwear, shoes that speak, quiet luxury loafers. Loafers are the epitome of old money footwear. For summer, suede or soft leather loafers in neutral shades like tan, chestnut, or navy are ideal. They slip on easily, look elegant, and pair well with both trousers and shorts. White minimalist sneakers. While loafers are timeless, a pair of clean white sneakers is a modern old money staple. The key is minimalism. No heavy branding, no chunky soles. White sneakers add a fresh, youthful edge to your summer wardrobe while maintaining sophistication. They work perfectly with tailored shorts, chinos, and even lightweight suits. Leather sandals. While loafers and sneakers are key, sandals can be tricky to pull off in a truly classic old money way. Opt for simple, high-quality leather sandals in neutral tones like brown, tan, or navy. Think classic leather slides or minimalist strappy sandals. If you found this video valuable, then make sure to subscribe to support this channel and comment what you want next.